say you were there, you did not talk. There's a scammer in town, P2B, that has just come out. Scamming people, lying, and people are believing him. And this is so misleading that this scammer, he can scam people so easily. P2B was governor of a state, Anambra State, for 8 years. Let us start from there. Anambra State is one of the most advantageous states in Nigeria because of the people of Anambra State. They have Onitsha, they have Oka, they have Inewi. Gold mines. These are the biggest gold mines in Nigeria after Lagos and Port Harcourt and Aba. They are the biggest gold mine. Money literally is on the streets of these towns. He was governor of that state for 8 years. How did he harness the resources of that state to turn around that state, to change the narratives? No, he's telling us stories. He saved 70-something. He did this 70-something billion. What is 70-something billion? That's what Wike plays with as toy in River State. That's a play money for Wike. A man should be judged by his antecedent. He was governor of a state for 8 years. Let us start from there. And let us start judging P2B from there, not imaginary something he will do after he has scammed us. For me, it is the duty of every one of us to make sure we don't fall into this Obi. Trust me, if you talk of River State and Bayelsa that were educational disadvantaged states, became second, third, fourth. River State and Bayelsa have been maintaining second, third, fourth, from being educational disadvantaged state to educational vintage states. That one was said, not Anambra. He didn't take Anambra anywhere educationally. Go and check. Anambra had always been in front. Anambra Imo had always been in the forefront of educationally vintage states in Nigeria. As it stands, any working governor can turn Anambra to become greater than Lagos, Port Harcourt, and Ogun State. Because Anambra is a gold mine. And these mines, the minerals are on the surface. You don't need to dig deep. That Onitsha, that Inewi, that Aoka. Obi did nothing other than lying and smooth talk. He did nothing other than lying and smooth talk. It's a God that I don't care. But let him not come and be lying. I've been tying one watch for how many years? Meanwhile, in 3 years, I have spotted more than 4 watches he has been using. My son does not have a car. Meanwhile, his son has a car. The man lies. Anytime he opens his mouth, he's lying. And his supporters, like the supporters of that neat-witted Osha Were. Osha Were. Nnamdi Kanu. They come down and anybody who talks, they abuse the person. Once you come out to give contrary opinion, they abuse you. Me, your abuse doesn't bother me. Somebody who invested Anambra money in his family business. Somebody who invested Anambra money in his family business. He brought out the time he was investing Anambra money in his family business, he did not know. He brought a letter that somebody, housing corporation under him, allocated land to him. And they believe these lies. It is the governor of a state that issues C of O. This is something that every idiot ought to know. Every idiot. That is the governor of a state that issues C of O. So how can an housing corporation chairman allocate land to him? All these fraudulent, simple 419 things that people do. And they think we are all stupid like them. You know they give chichi. You know they give chichi. So people go work for you. Say you know they give chichi. Oh, yeah, nah. You know they give chichi. Man, I no go, make you no give on a chichi. Work for them free. When he be governor for this thing, he did not hold election for 7 years, local government election for 7 years in Anambra State. Where did the local government funds go to? Go to Anambra. Almost all the local government secretariats have been destroyed. Local government are closed down. The present governor is trying to open up the places. He's trying to revive the places. He's trying to open up the places. Is that what Obi wants to turn on? Or to suspend the election? Statutory election? Somebody who does not have respect for the Constitution? By which